Huli tayo sa stars eh. Taco Bell. Hindi ka magagas. Mura dito ang gas oh. 3.79.
Hindi. Mamaya na. Saan ba dito yung magandang lugar? Parang wala man.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Ayun, 379 lang ba?
Kaya nga, mura nga dito ang gasolina.
So
3.79.
like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
3.60 na nga dito oh. Sa Costco. Eh, Costco ba yan? Hindi. Kala ko. Bye-bye, stars! Ayaw mo po ano? Baby shark! Ayan na lang. One little finger na lang. Siya! Demanding si Pusay. What do you want, shark? Yes.
Ay, yung mga ostrich dito. Pakatingin mo siya.
Ostrich. Ayaw nga yan oh, madami oh. Ang dami, nakalaka lang. Ostrich land. Dapat doon tayo tumigil. Uy, may horse. Oh, may horse. Nakita mo? Hindi niya makita eh. Wine testing at 300 feet. Kaya nga, di ba?
Ang ganda ng daan, no? Dati itong video mo, ang ganda ng daan.
Kaya nga, mga pine tree. Meron ganito eh, sa Bulan Sorsogon. Hindi natin nadaanan kasi sa Pilar tayo dumaan eh. Four minutes na lang pala dun sa pupuntahan natin. Naalala ko naman yung sa bahay natin na una. Pinagbayad tayo dun sa tanim ko, ano? Puta ng Solbang. Welcome to, dito na.
Yan yan.
Welcome to Solbang. Oh, little ducks went up one day over the hills and far.
Turn right.
The duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. One
Parang village na maliit.
Oo, yun nga. Parang siyang maliit na village.
Two little ducks went out one day over the hill and far.
Tapos makaluma yung...
Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day over the hill and far away.
Dapat na nagpunta tayo ng parking.
Go past the
Santa!
then turn left onto Oak Street.
Five little ducks came back. Sad mother duck went out
Turn left onto Oak Street.
the hill and far away.
Wala mang parking eh. Nasa gilid-gilid lang sila nag-park oh.
And all of the five little ducks came back. Five little ducks went
In a quarter mile, arrive at Solvay.
away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all of the five little ducks came back.
Ang cute ng town nila.
Kaya parang mga bahay-bahay lang na pambata.
Tara, dito tayo.
Shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Big and small,
Saan ka dyan?
big and small,
Hanap ng parking.
big and small, big, 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 small, 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 big and small.
Panambig!
Small,
Panambig!
big, 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 small, small, small. Please? No, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, please, please,
Ah,
please,
tinitignan ka lang
no,
sa-
thank you. Please,
Ano ba
no,
yan?
thank you. Please, no, thank you. Fast and slow.
Walang parking eh.
Fast and slow, fast and slow, fast, 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 slow, 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 fast and slow,
Wala talaga. Huwag ka tayong tumigil.
fast, 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 slow, slow, slow.
Turn left onto Oak Street, then arrive at your next stop. Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
Loud, loud, loud and quiet, loud and quiet,
Saan yung punta?
loud, 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 loud. Peek-a-boo.
Turn left onto Oak Street, then arrive at your next stop.
Doon na.
Kaya, uwi na tayo. Puno talaga eh.
Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-dink. I love you. Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love
Sharks na ang gusto.
you in the morning and in the afternoon.
Continuing route. Turn left onto 2nd Street.
Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you.
At the stop
Maganda nga dito kaso
onto First
wala pang parking.
then turn right onto Elver Highway.
Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you.
Ilipat ko na sa shark, saglit lang.
Skidamarinka-doo.
Papatayin ko lang tong video.